In the golden age of Athens, where the spirit of democracy and philosophy flourished, two institutions stood tall as beacons of knowledge and wisdom. They were the Academy and the Lyceum, the cradles of ancient Greek philosophy, and the birthplaces of ideas that have shaped Western thought for millennia. The Academy, founded by the legendary philosopher Plato in 387 BC, was a sanctuary for those who sought to understand the mysteries of the universe. Its establishment marked the beginning of a new era in the pursuit of knowledge, one that emphasized rational thought and the Socratic method. The Academy was a place where students and scholars gathered to engage in spirited debates, exchange ideas, and seek answers to life's most profound questions. Plato, a student of the great philosopher Socrates, transformed the Academy into a hub of intellectual activity. He taught his students that the ultimate goal of human life was to achieve a state of wisdom, and that this could be attained through the pursuit of knowledge and virtue. His most famous student, Aristotle, would later take the teachings of the Academy to new heights, creating a body of work that would become the foundation for Western philosophy. Across the city, another intellectual powerhouse emerged, the Lyceum. Founded by Aristotle in 335 BC, the Lyceum offered a more practical approach to philosophy, focusing on the natural world and the study of ethics. Aristotle's teachings emphasized observation, empirical evidence, and the development of logical reasoning. The Lyceum attracted scholars from all corners of Greece, who came to learn from the great philosopher and engage in intellectual discourse. In the hallowed halls of these ancient institutions, the great minds of antiquity debated the nature of reality, the essence of the soul, and the principles of ethics. Their ideas became the foundation of Western philosophy, shaping the course of human thought for thousands of years. The Academy and the Lyceum stood as testaments to the power of human curiosity, the pursuit of knowledge, and the enduring spirit of Athenian wisdom. These institutions also played a crucial role in the cultural and intellectual exchange between Athens and the broader Greco-Roman world. Scholars from across the Mediterranean traveled to Athens to learn from the great philosophers and bring back their wisdom to their own cities. The ideas of Plato and Aristotle, in particular, had a profound impact on Roman philosophy, art, and politics, ensuring that the spirit of Athenian wisdom would not be confined to the city's borders. The Academy and the Lyceum, with their enduring influence, serve as a testament to the power of philosophy to inspire, enlighten, and shape the course of human history. Today, they continue to inspire scholars, intellectuals, and curious minds, who gather in the spirit of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle to engage in the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. The echoes of their debates still resonate in the halls of academia, a constant reminder of the enduring legacy of ancient Greek philosophy.